In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Evernote to Notion import problems. If you've been experiencing issues when moving notes from Evernote to Notion, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth transition. To begin, let's start by logging into your Notion account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the settings area within Notion. To find it, simply look for the gear icon or locate the settings option in your sidebar. Click on that, and you'll be brought into the settings menu. From the settings menu, you want to select the option called Import. This is the gateway to bringing your Evernote files seamlessly into Notion. After you've selected Import, you'll see several services that Notion can import from. In this instance, you'll want to click on the Evernote option. Now, here's where some people encounter issues. Sometimes, during the import process, Notion fails to bring over some notes or they might appear incomplete. If this happens, the issue usually lies with the content of the notes themselves rather than a fundamental error within Notion or Evernote. To troubleshoot this, let's head over to Evernote. Log into your Evernote account where your original notes are stored. After you're logged in, take some time to navigate through your notes. You are looking specifically for any notes that contain attachments, web clips, or tables. These elements can often complicate the import process and need to be addressed for a successful migration. Once you've identified notes with these elements, attachments, clips, or tables, select those notes and proceed to remove these components from them. You can either delete them or move them to another storage area for safekeeping. This step is crucial because these features may not always translate well into Notion and could be the hindrance in your import process. After you've cleaned up the troublesome components from your Evernote notes, head back to Notion and try the import process again. By removing these elements, you should find that the import runs more smoothly this time, allowing your notes to transition from Evernote to Notion without further complications. And there you have it. Your notes should now be successfully imported from Evernote to Notion. This method allows you to work effortlessly across the two platforms without losing crucial information or content. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or run into more issues, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!